Did you know you can grow a full fruit tree right on your balcony? That's right. You don't need a big backyard or fancy greenhouse to enjoy fresh fruit from your own trees. In today's video, I'll share 12 amazing fruit trees that grow beautifully in pots, terraces, or even on sunny windowsills. Whether you live in a city apartment or a cozy little house, these fruit trees will turn your space into a mini orchard. So grab your gardening gloves, let's dig in. 1. Lemon tree. The Meyer lemon is a superstar for container gardening. It's compact, hardy, and produces juicy, sweet lemons almost all year round. Keep it in a large pot with good drainage, give it 6 to 8 hours of sunlight, and it'll reward you with bright yellow fruit and that lovely citrus scent. Pro tip: bring it indoors during winter if you live in a colder area. 2. Fig tree. Figs are surprisingly easy to grow in pots. They love warm sun and don't mind a bit of dryness. Brown Turkey and Celeste are perfect dwarf varieties for containers. Once they mature, you'll get soft, sweet figs that taste like pure honey. 3. Guava tree. Guava trees are tropical gems that do great in medium to large containers. They love warmth and sunlight and can even fruit twice a year if cared for well. Plus, their glossy green leaves and fragrant flowers make them beautiful patio plants. 4. Apple tree, dwarf or columnar varieties. Yes, you can grow apples in pots. Look for dwarf types like Golden Delicious or columnar apples such as North Pole. They grow vertically rather than wide, making them perfect for small spaces. Just make sure to plant at least 2 for better pollination. 5. Pomegranate. This one's both beautiful and practical. Pomegranates thrive in containers, especially the Nana dwarf variety. They love full sun and tolerate heat like a champ. Bonus: their red flowers are stunning before those ruby fruits appear. 6. Peach tree. If you thought peaches only belonged in orchards, think again. Dwarf peach trees grow perfectly in large pots and can still produce full-size juicy peaches. They do best in warm, sunny areas and need light pruning to stay compact. 7. Mulberry tree. Mulberries are fast-growing and easy to manage in containers. Their fruit is sweet and rich in antioxidants, great for smoothies or snacking. They can handle pruning well, so you can easily keep them small and tidy. 8. Cherry tree. Cherries in pots? Absolutely. Choose self-pollinating types like Stella. They need a bit of winter chill, so they're perfect if your climate has cooler months. When they bloom, those pink-white flowers are a showstopper. 9. Papaya. For tropical fruit lovers, this one's a must-try. Dwarf papayas grow fast and start fruiting within a year. They love sun, warmth, and good drainage. Just remember, papayas don't like cold weather, so protect them in winter. 10. Lime tree. Limes are compact, fragrant, and very productive in pots. Key limes give you small, tangy fruit for drinks or cooking, while kaffir limes are great for their aromatic leaves used in Asian dishes. Keep them in full sun, water regularly, and feed them every few months for best growth. 11. Banana plant. Yes, bananas can grow in pots too. The dwarf Cavendish stays under 6 feet tall and can still produce real bananas indoors or on balconies. Give it warmth, humidity, and rich soil, and it'll reward you with tropical vibes all year round. 12. Olive tree. For a Mediterranean touch, go for an olive tree. They love sunshine, dry air, and don't need much water. Arbequina or Little Ollie are perfect compact types. They look elegant and even produce small olives after a few years. Extra tips: always choose dwarf or semi-dwarf varieties. They're easier to manage in containers. Use lightweight but large pots, at least 18 inches deep, with proper drainage holes. Feed your trees with slow-release organic fertilizer every 2 to 3 months. Rotate pots occasionally so all sides get equal sunlight. During winter, move tropical trees indoors or wrap pots to protect roots from cold. So there you have it, to 12 fruit trees that love small spaces as much as you do. Which one would you like to grow first? Tell me in the comments below. I'd love to hear your pick. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more gardening goodness and share it with a friend who dreams of growing their own fruit. Thanks for watching and happy planting.